Howdy, this is a quick video on how to add a text link to get somebody's phone number from an email or website. And so we're just going to go to copy.gives. It's copy.gives, so it's .gives instead of .com. And then we'll type in a number. It can be any number, a short code, or a full phone number, digit, whatever you want. And then we'll type in a message. Hello there. And then if you see what we're typing, this link right here updates, then that is actually our link to the message. So if we open this up, we can test it out right now. And there's our link, the number, and our message. And if we go back, we can copy this. So just copy. We can open a note, and we'll get rid of this. And then paste in our new link. Paste. Hit done, and then tap this, and it still works. And that is how to create a text link for email or your